Hey guys, Aaron here. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to properly program and adjust the travel limits on a Genie Garage Door opener. Alright, some of the reasons you might actually need to do this would be you put in a new opener, maybe you've changed out your springs or you've adjusted them, or it is possible just over time the door is no longer sitting properly and you need to adjust the up or the down limits. Now the first thing we're going to adjust is our down limit. Now that's going to be the arrow pointing towards the door. Now there's a couple other things to remember. One, the trolley needs to be engaged and the door needs to be about halfway up. Next we're going to hold down our down arrow until we see the blue light. At that point it'll start flashing, at which point we have 30 seconds to actually adjust the door. We're going to hold this down
till the door gets to the floor or at least close to it. At that point, we can make slight adjustments till we get the door fully closed.
Then we're going to hit the program set button.
You will then see the light flash and then go out, and that's how you know the down is programmed.
Now if you see the red light flashing, that means your 30 seconds has expired and you will need to start from the beginning again. Alright, next we're going to program her up. Now that's going to be the arrow pointing away from the door. Now a couple things to remember. One, we want to make sure the trolley's engaged with the door, and we also want to make sure the door is down. Now at this point the process is pretty much the same. We're going to hold down our up arrow until we see the blue light, and then it's going to start flashing. And from that point we have 30 seconds to adjust the door. And from there we're going to hold down our button here, we're going to pull the door back. Now when the door is coming back, we want to make sure the trolley stops before hitting the opener. And then we're going to hit the program button to set it. Alright guys, and that's how you adjust the travel limits on a Genie Garage Door opener. As always, thanks for watching. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you click that link below and become one. We'll catch you on the next one.